Right this way. Tell me your names again. What's your name? Aiden. What? Louder. Salud? Salud?
Saul. I know I have friends named Saul.
What's your name? And you?
Derek.
And you're Sebastian. Alright, so what we're going to cover today is we're going to talk about electricity and magnetism.
Have we did that before?
You have not done this before with us, but you might have done it in another class. So, when something lights up, right, like your light bulb or your flashlight, electricity is going through everything, right? When you plug in your vacuum cleaner, or your mom plugs in her vacuum cleaner, what goes through the vacuum cleaner? Electricity, right? So what is electricity? Do you guys know? That's a type of electricity. Do you know what electricity is? I'm asking. Okay, Aiden, what do you think? You got anything? So let's take a look at the word electricity real quick. Okay? If you look at that part of electricity, E-L-E-C-T-R, that's what's going on when there's electricity. Do you know a word that kind of starts with those letters? Perfect. Electrons. So what is electricity? You have a battery, right? Do you see the negative right here? The negative goes here, goes here, goes here, goes here, and goes to your light bulb. It goes through the light bulb. Remember that little piece that's inside a light bulb? It gets real bright and sometimes it gets real hot. Electricity is going through that. What is going through that? Electrons, like you said. So do we know that an atom has both a positive and a negative? Have you guys covered that in school before? You haven't. Well, let me just tell you. Do you know about atoms, right? They compose everything. Well, there's a positive, and then going around it is a negative. And that negative is called an electron. So that's the same electron that goes through here and lights up your light bulb. So that's electricity. Now, how do we measure electricity? Volts, perfect. Your car battery is 12 volts. Anybody know what's inside a house? How many? Any guesses? How many? Close. Anybody? Lower, lower, lower. Sometimes 110 and sometimes 220. But that's how we measure electricity, is with volts. So, we are going to do a little experiment today, and we're going to see if we can make electricity out of nothing. You guys want to give it a shot? All right, here we go. So, I want, or if it's all right, I need you two to work together, okay? And then I've got, now what am I handing you? This is crazy, right? What am I doing? There's another one. Maybe you two can work together. You get one, and you get one. What is this? Is there a light bulb? Is there electricity in it right now? So what is it? What's going on here? It's just wire, right? Okay, but what we do have, do we have any idea what this is? It's got dials on it, right? So we could measure something with this. What do you think we could measure with this? Bingo, you got it. This is called a voltmeter, or sometimes called a multimeter. So if we hook this up to that, and we can get it to show numbers on it, then we're making electricity. But how are we going to do that? I don't know. We have to figure it out. What's that? There's one for you. I got one for everybody that has a tube. Congratulations. You get a voltmeter. There's one right here. I'm going to teach you how to use that. One thing that I want to make sure that we're clear on. Hey, everybody. If you go and try this at home, you are not to put this into the circuit, like in the plug in your house, because that's too much and it could hurt you. Okay, so promise, you gotta go? Round of applause. Say goodbye to him, everybody. Round of applause. Take his phone, and you got one, and you got your own voltmeter now. Okay. Is there someone that needs one? You need one? Good. All right. Take a red and a black and give it to the other person to take. Yeah. Take a red and a black. Yours is already kind of hooked up. Get a red and a black. And 2 of these yellows for each voltmeter. All right.